And we're seeing ya. Tary back at you with another video. We're doing hair tutorials yet again, and this time it's different styles of ponytail. We're going to start off easy with a simple low ponytail. So first, make sure your doll's hair is fully brushed, no knots, no tangles, and then grab a single elastic that you're going to put in the hair roughly equal to where the collar of the shirt is. You'll see what I mean when I do it. This is what the finished low ponytail looks like, and yes, you want it loose. Leave this gap and do not pull up the elastic. Now we're going to make a braided ponytail. So start by dividing the hair into 3, as you can see on screen, and then just classic braid style. When you get to the bottom of the hair, you just want to place an elastic to hold the braid. This one's very simple, it's just a classic braid, and here we have the completed one. Now we are going to leave in the braid and turn it into a chunky braided ponytail. And you do that by just adding additional elastics throughout random spots of the braid. I think maybe 3 elastics is plenty. It should look like this. Next, we are going to make a normal chunky ponytail, as you may have already seen on our TikTok. So let's start by pulling out all the elastics and undoing the braid. Then we're going to take an elastic and just make a normal ponytail to start. Now that you have your ponytail, you're just going to place elastics down the hair, random spots, more or less evenly spaced out. So here we've jump cut to the final version. This is what your chunky ponytail should look like. I've managed to fit in 5 elastics. So for the next hairstyle, we are going to do a high ponytail. So first, make your doll's hair kind of crazy like this, and pop it all to the top of the head like so. Put it upside down if that will help. And then, kind of like a tree growing out of this skull, the way I said in the buns video, you want to add an elastic and hold it into position. Here is what your completed high ponytail will look like. If we do a quick close-up, I've added a couple of clips here and back here to hold down the hair. And I'm not sure when you'd ever actually want to use this one because it's really crazy, but this is what it looks like, and I do think it's super cool. When you take out the high ponytail, the doll's hair will need to be brushed again because it's really crazy. But once you've done that, you can make the next type of ponytail, which is the side pony. I'm going to start by showing you the right side. So take the hair, scoop it all the way over to the shoulder, and then put the elastic on the side of the head instead of the center. Here's what the right side ponytail should look like. I think you get a better view of it from the front. When you're doing a side ponytail, I prefer adding a twist to it, so that is what you see here. I've just quickly twisted the hair. Here we have the side twist again, but on the left side of the head instead. The final ponytail style is a double ponytail. So start by making a half up, half down ponytail as you see here. For more half up, half down styles, please check the link in our description. It'll be there along with the bun video I mentioned earlier. But anyway, start by making your half up, half down. Then take all the hair and add an elastic to the bottom of the head. This is what your completed double ponytail should look like. If you look closely, you can see that I've added a couple of clips to the hair. You can do that as well if you find it too loose around the ears. That concludes our tutorial on different ponytail hairstyles. If you liked it, please drop one down below. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future content. Check out all of our social media accounts linked in the description. And lastly, please head to our website. There are tons of cute outfits to purchase and tons of fun stories to read. See you on the next one.